Yo, what up? New pickups in today? Take a look. This one I got off Alumni. They had a sale going on. Picked a couple items. First one we got. A quick wipe from Jason Mark. These are pretty cheap. It's like 50 cents each for 3. So quick 3-pack premium dual texture cleaning wipes. So wipe out your shoes. Pick these up. It's essential. They're like 8. Is on sale. I picked up a Alumni tote bag. It's pretty small, but there's like a tea in here. Yeah, not too crazy. That's that. This one I hit on the sneakers app. It's the Canary Yello Travis's, but in the kid size, retails like 80 bucks. Oh shit. Yeah. Retail's 80 bucks. Got a 1.5Y SPS Canary, tiny cute box. Got that Jumpman sticker. And here you go with the shoes. Actually come with extra laces with the red ones. Yo, these are cute as hell. Quality's pretty good. Got that tumble leather there. Even look how tumble the leather is, even on babies. But I don't like this colorway though. This colorway is quality control. There's a scuff. Yeah, gum bottoms. I personally would not wear this colorway. I just wanted to hit to use as a trade bait. It comes with blue too. But yeah, I didn't like this colorway. Even if I hit my size, I wouldn't have worn them. Too flashy, yellow, like a McDonald's shoe. But yeah, this was high school, so yeah, it's pretty clean, man. Pretty clean shoe, but just not for me. Alright, next up, what we got? This one should be my New Balances. My box got messed up already. That box is effed. We're jacked. But yeah, these are the Grade A Fresh Foam. Fresh Foam 1080 V13. It's like a running shoe, but you can wear these as casual if you want. It is all gray joints. This is the one that I liked out from that Grade A. Got that little suede here on the end. Got that Fresh Foam, very light. Gray. It's the bottom, squishy, Fresh Foam. It's fire. Yeah, I put this on New Balance. These actually sold pretty quick. I mean, these have sizes less, smaller sizes, but yeah, man, I think these only dropped on New Balance website. I haven't seen it anywhere else. But yeah, I had to pick these up. These are fire. But yeah, just a quick pickup. Not too crazy. Subscribe if you guys like. See you guys in my next video. I'm out. Peace.